Hi guys, I don't know if anyone have already done this, cause my friend taught me this maybe 2 months ago. It's PewDiePie Tuber Simulator glitch, where if you go onto settings and you change your date, right now I changed it to the 1st, and So then, if you do that, you can go on PFS Tuber Simulator, press the little square, go back to date and time, skip it to the second, and it'll change it to where it thinks you went ahead of a day. And my friend learned this because he did it with in the game Talking Tom a couple years ago. So, and then he tried it on Tuber Sim. So, I picked my Tuber Simulator. So yeah, these are all the games I have on my phone. If you would like me to record a video of any of these, I would. All right. So, bye.